angibasoli mina labantu laba abaprefer Christianity. Angibasoli labantu laba ababona kungcono ukuthi bavele bayiyele esontweni bathathe impilo zabo bayinikele kuJesu. Yazi leyo ndlela leyo is very straightforward and ayinawo ama requirements amaningi. Yabona esontweni yika come as you are. Esontweni uza nje the way ongakhona, uwamukeleke the way ongakhona, bafike bakubhabhadise kabusha ube yi-born again futhi it's very straightforward indlela ekwenziwa ngayo esontweni nendlela yeChristianity ayifani nalendlela thina esihambayo ye-spirituality. Ayifani nalendlela le ijourney le ufanele uyithathe uma ngabe uqalela phansi ureconnecta nabangasekho abantu who are from your bloodline rather than uconnecta noJesu ongamazi nokuthi uyi-bloodline yabani. Thina we are connecting nabantu bakithi thina esikulineage yabo ngoba ngiyabona la kulezinto lezi spirituality kulezinto lezi zoconnecta nethonga or nedlozi with and being a spiritual person and being ube divine feminine noma ube divine masculine akusiko ka come as you are. La awukwazi ukuthi ke uthi wazi wena uzazi ukuthi wona umuntu wadlwengula umuntu noma wakhipha isisu noma uthakathile somewhere noma wadlisa umuntu noma nje unecala uzazi ukuthi unecala owalenza whether ulenze recently noma ulenze kudala ka spirituality akusiyo kwa come as you are. You don't get ukuthi uprogress kuma levels of spirituality nokuconnecta nama guides akho la wefanele azokusiza ungakakulungisi owakwenza emuva. Yabona lana ayikho idouble akukho ukuthi uzothelwa ngamanzi athandazeliwe phambi kwabantu endlini ekuthiwa yindlu kaJesu yindlu kaNkulunkulu bese kuthiwa hayi owakwenza sekudlulile ukuthi kusese nabantu abasakhala ngezinto owabenza zona hayi account esontweni but la ey'ntweni zakamoya it always counts. That's why esikhathini esiningi kufanele siklenze, fanele silungise amacala ethu, fanele siqalele phansi manje ukuthi esakwenza before we make sure ukuthi siyakufixa, siyawalungisa amacala esawenza kwamoya. Because yonke into esiyenzayo iyenzeka la in the 3D, which means la emhlabeni, but it also has an impact iyenzeka na ku 5D. So awukwazi ukuthi ke bese ufuna ukuthi ube nama connections aku 5D ungakalungisi la on the 3D, because labantu esukubonile banabantu bakubo nabo, labantu esukubonile nabo banemphefumulo yabo ebalulekile in the 5D, ebalulekile to source, to God. So in order for abakini ukuthi bakwazi ukuthi bak-advocatele, bakucelele noma bakulungisele izinto, fanele uqale nawe ubuyele emuva uyolungisa amacala akho. Whereas ka Christianity kugcwele ama-rapists angakaze wavuma amacala awo, kugcwele abathakathi, abanye baba basathakatha kuze kube namhlanje, abanye ababulala. Kugcwele abantu abantshontsha amadoda, abantu owafike wangena emshadweni womuntu waphuma nomyeni womuntu noma waphuma nomfazi womuntu. Ziningi nje izinto ezenzekala ka Christianity ezinga-addresswa. That's why iningi labantu lincamana ukuyoba lapha kwa Christianity. Yazi mina ngokubuka kwami Christianity nokuba sesontweni kufana nokuthatha inombolo ejele. Kufana nokuthatha inombolo ejele ukuthi ke ungenza noma iliphi icala, but you are always protected under igama lokuthi you are under a certain number, ungaphansi kwenombolo okuyo and bayakuvikela lapho, because umuntu ubiza inombolo yakhe ayibizayo ukuthi ngiyiluthela mina, ngiyi-Roman Catholic mina, ngiyi-Seventh Day Adventist. Kuyafana nokubiza inombolo leyo ukuthi amacala akho owenzile it's fine mangabe uyimember yale nombolo le osuke uyibizile and abantu bakule nombolo bazokuvikela regardless of izinto ozenzile and lezi zinto ezirong osuke uzenzile indaba yaloyo muntu osuke umonile as long as wena waphuma right. It's mina for mina abantu abasesontweni bayafana nalabo bantu abanjalo as far as I'm concerned. Bafike bona abantu lapha ngaphandle bangahambi bayolungisa nalabantu ababonile lapha ngaphandle bese bayafika bangena ngaphansi kwale nombolo baloku bephakamisa le nombolo njalo uma ngabe bebhekane neopposition noma abantu ababakhumbuza ukuthi but wena imuva lakho linjenjenje athi hayi cha ukhuluma ngazi ngobani bani mina sengiyiloko aphakamisa inombolo yakhe mina ngiyiluthela mina ngiyi-Roman Catholic ngiyi-Seventh Day Adventist na wonke lawa amanye amasonto. So mina I think yabona le inzima le journey ethathwa yithi yabona lethathwa yithi ayisinsa ngo because ikuyakuforsa ukuthi ubhekane namacala akho and ungagcini ngokubhekana nawo kuphela but ubuyele emuva uyolungisa. That's why fanele ucleanse mangabe wakhipha isisu uma ngabe wadlwengula fanele uvale umkhokha number 1 ukuthi ke ingaloku irepeater lento emndenini wakho nigcine niyi-family of rapists or ifamily yababulali. Ulungise lecala olidalile in the 3D ku physical plane uphinde uyolungisa in the 5D ngokomoya bayoxolisela bakini ngalelicala lelo sulidalile. So akufani nokuya esontweni lokho esikwenzayo thina ingakho kunzima ingakho kungeke kuze kube yinto elula eyenziwa yinoma ubani. I feel like I need to ukuthi ngintshela ukuthi for mina it hasn't been easy. It hasn't been easy because uya account for everything, uya understand nanokuthi yonke into energy. So mawuzokhuluma izinto ezinegative ngawe noma ngengane yakho noma ngekhaya lakho uyayidala leyo nto leyo. Because why? Because I have connected to the 4D and the 5D realms of understanding ukuthi yonke into is energy. Yonke into engiyiphimisayo ngiyayidala iyangena into iyahambi iyongena ku-universe and i-universe will deliver what I have ordered. So I have a greater understanding and a greater belief ngezinto engizenzayo nezinto engiyikhulumayo, unlike umuntu okhuluma amagama wafunda encwadini angayazi nokuthi yabhalwa ubani, angayazi nokuthi mangabe ethenga leyo ncwadi leyo mali ihamba ifike kubani, yena lo ifike kuyo ufike ayithathe ayenzeni leyo mali yale ncwadi le yena asethatha impilo yakhe wayibhayisa ngayo. It's different. At some point kuzofanele uyeke ukutreata ispirituality ngazathi iBhayibheli. At some point ofanele uyeke ukutreata ispirituality ngazathi Christianity. I-spirituality unlike i-Christianity akusiyo into ofanele utshelwe yona, into ongabhalelwa yona encwadini. Omunye umuntu angakusiza yena ngama-rituals abakubo asebemtshengise wona ukuthi okay ungahlanganisa lokhu nalokhu, ungenza lokhu nalokhu kuze uzovula lokho dinga ukuthi ukuvule. But ingoba yena grounded enough and akanawo umsindo empilweni yakhe, that's why abakubo bekwazi ukuthi bakhulume naye. Laba ababekelwe ukuthi bamguide, that's why bekwazi ukuthi bakhulume naye, bakwazi ukuthi bamtshele lezo zinto lezo. Wena they can't do it kuwe because wena you participate ey'ntweni ezikulowarisha i-vibration. Uthola ukuthi manje they can't communicate nawe because wenza izinto ezibabhlokhayo, ezibavimbayo mabefuna ukuthi ke bangene babe nendawo yabo empilweni yakho bakwazi ukuthi bakhulume nawe. Bheka ukuthi iziphi izinto ezikubhlokhayo ezenza ukuthi abakini bangakwazi ukuthi bakhulume nawe directly. You cannot always depend on ama-middlemen. You can't. Idlozi ngesinye isikhathi libuye likufake ekushiseni the way elenza ngakhona izinto, because idlozi lakho liyakuzwa, liyalalela mawukhuluma and liyazwela futhi mangabe ukhala. So uthola ukuthi-ke lona liyakukhumbula ngisho izinto wena osuyikhohliwe, liyakhumbula ukuthi wakhala wathini, yiziphi izinto owayikhipha ngomlomo nezinto owayikhuluma ngenhliziyo, ngaziphi iy'khathi ugowa through ini. Uthola ukuthi wena as a person uwumuntu nje osewajwayela ukuthi yazini izinto ziyenzeka, ngiyashayeka lapho nalapho engishayeka khona, but eventually ngiyaphuma kuleso simo engisuke ngikuso. Somewhere somehow I always make it out of lento engisuke ngibhekane nayo. Uthola ukuthi wena uyandlula and undlulise as umuntu, but labantu abaseceleni laba abangapha nangapha bakubhekile, abanye babo abayidalayo le inkinga lezo obhekane nazo, bona abandluli. Uthola ukuthi manje wena idlozi lakho likuthanda ngale ndlela le yokuthi liyakukhipha ey'ntweni, ngisho noma ungazange uze ukhale, ngisho noma uthola ukuthi-ke into ubungakazi nokuthi-ke you are going through into edalwe abantu, noma because iy'nkinga ngaso sonke isikhathi akusizi iy'nkinga esiy'dalelwa abantu. Ezinye iy'nkinga siyayidalela thina, kodwa uthola ukuthi alikhethi, lele lakho alikhethi ukuthi-ke leyo nto uyifake kuyo wena noma uyifake abantu kuyo, but nje ngaso sonke isikhathi liyashowa up. Lenza sure ukuthi futhi uphuma lapho uphila and uphuma lapho ungalimalanga kakhulu. Ngisho noma kuthiwa ungalimala lapho nalapho, uthola ukuthi maybe uyalimala financially, uyalimala emotionally, but ikusasa lakho lisese intact. Ukuthi nje wena ukuclaim okungokwakho, ukuthi nje wena uwenze sure ukuthi ikusasa lakho liba yilokho okusenhliziyweni yakho, lokho okufisa ukuthi ikusasa lakho libe yikho. Uthola ukuthi manje leyo nto ikudalela inzondo, and lento manje uthola ukuthi iyakulandela le nzondo, because manje you will experience izinto, whether isemsebenzini, whether isekhaya, whether it's in a relationship, and then iy'nkinga oy'dalele zona noma abakudalele zona, and uthola ukuthi lishowa up and liyakurescuisha futhi. Alidlali ngawe, lingadlala ngezinye izinto kodwa hhayi ngawe, likurescuisha. Uthola ukuthi manje usuyazondeka because of how idlozi lakho shows up for you. Yazi mina nokubona sometimes uthola ukuthi ngiyagowa ngale ndlela yokuthi-ke angisakhoni ngisho ukulala. Sometimes nje kuze kuse kuthola ukuthi maybe ngilale boma 4 hours kuphela, angibutholanga lo buthongo engibudingayo, and mina ngiyayithandela ubuthongo bami. Uthola ukuthi angibutholanga ubuthongo engibudingayo, and ngine-stress ukuthi Nkosi yami kuzosa, and makusafanele ngiyobhekana nalento le engixakile, nalento le engenza ukuthi ngingalali. Uthola ukuthi mangivuka ngahamba ngiyoyifeyisa lento ngibhekana nayo, yes kuba nzima, yes ngiyashizila, yes kuba buhlungu ukuthi Nkosi yami kanti mina ngikuthola nini ukuphumula? When do I ever get ukuphumula from ukubhekana ney'nkinga, nokulwa nalokhu, nokulungisa lokhu, nokwenzani. But uthola ukuthi labantu laba basuke beyitshela ukuthi sesifikile isikhathi sokuthi simbone ewa the way thina sifisa ukumbona ewa ngakhona. Uthola ukuthi abayitholi-ke leyo njabule bebecanti bazoyithola, leyo show bebecanti bazoyibukela abayitholi. Uthola ukuthi yes ngishizilile, but I made it out, and I didn't make it out ngale ndlela bebecanti mina ngizoba ngakhona. Angizange ngiwe the way bebecanti ngizoba ngakhona. Lifikile, lafike langiskupha up, langiphakamisa ukuthi angeke baze bayithole le satisfaction ebebecabanga ukuthi bazoyithola from lento le esuke yenzeka. Uthola ukuthi manje lento isingidalela inzondo, ngihamba nayo manje lento. And if you know anything, you know ukuthi emsebenzini ngaso sonke isikhathi ozakwethu abasifisela izinto ezinhle, and mabelithola ithuba lokuthi basifake enkingeni bazosifaka enkingeni. So uthola ukuthi manje lingahambela phambili. Uthola ukuthi sengibona into sengize ngandlula kuyo ukuthi bengingaboni yazi mina ukuthi lo nalo yibe bebengifake kule nkinga le. Uthola ukuthi ngiyayichaza nje into ichazeke, iyamukeleke, ngidlule kube yinto. Uthola ukuthi manje lento bebe-expect ukuthi-ke izokwenzeka ayenzeki the way bebefuna ngakhona. Yes, ngingenile enkingeni. Yes, ngibiziwe. Yes, le process ebebe-expect ukuthi mayenzeke yenzekile, but ama-outcomes awazange abe as severe as bona bebecabanga ukuthi azoba severe ngakhona. Uthole ukuthi I make it through, and uthole ukuthi manje kuba buhlungu kubo, kuba buhlungu kubo. And ngazi mina ukuthi you know what, la hayi lingihambele phambili idlozi lami, lingihambele phambili, and lenza sure ukuthi even though kube khona inkinga eba khona, but angishayeki the way abantu abafisa ukuthi ngathi ngashayeka ngakhona. And I feel like that has been my problem my whole life. Mina I focus on the fact that I go through inkinga. Abanye abantu they focus on the fact that angiwi the way abafisa ukungibona ngiwa ngakhona. I-focus yethu i-different on the same issue, and yiyo into seyingidalela ubutha empilweni yami leyo. Hey idlozi lami kodwa. Hayi cha. Ngiyahlanya mina. Ngigula ngengqondo. Angiphili kahle la ekhanda. For years kuphushwa leyo narrative ngami. Nginga-understand ukuthi why ku-attackwa i-mentality yami, kufuna ukwenziwa as if mina angiphili kahle ngokwengqondo. Ngiyibuza ngithi why ngaso sonke isikhathi befuna ukuthi abantu abangibuke njengomuntu ongekho mentally sound. Ngoba bona babebona into mina engangingakayiboni, bona basebe understand into mina engangingakayi understand. Sizofika isikhathi, lizofika ilanga lapho i-third eye yami evuleka khona, and ngizofunda futhi ngikwazi ebebekwenza kimi. I will be able to see it spiritually. Yonke into ebeyenzeka kimi, yonke into ebebeyenza. So they were setting the scene. Bebe prepare ukuthi-ke the time lapho engivuka khona, the time lapho engiqala khona ngikhuluma ngisho ukuthi ayibo nakho okwenzakalayo, this is what abakwenza kimi. And kudala dala ngaqala ukubona ukuthi by the time ngiqala ngithi pe ngiyakhuluma, kubukeke ngazathi vele basho ukuthi angiphili engqondweni. Kube ukuthi vele basho ukuthi mina ngiyahlanya ekhanda. Yazi I understand it better manje njengoba ngibona ukuthi bona lento basheshe bayiklokha bayibona kudala ukuthi they must set the scene. So ukuthi ke by the time ngiqala ngirealize ukuthi naba labantu abagange empilweni yami, naba labantu abaganga la ekhaya, naba labantu abona izinto, naba labantu who are responsible for all the spiritual warfare esengibhekane naso for years. Ngithi mangiqala ngivula umlomo ngikhuluma kube ngazathi no, it's because vele ngiphile ekhanda, vele dala besho ukuthi angikho right mina la ekhanda. This is what they were up to. Baningi abantu ekuthiwa hayi ungamnaki loyo, uvele loyo akaphili kahle ekhanda, we awulalelana naloyo, unamanga kabi loyo. Kunabantu nje abakhule kuloku kuthiwa unamanga kabi loyo, ungayikholwa izinto ayishoyo. It's because they knew ukuthi kwenzakalani, they knew ukuthi kwenzakalani ngengane. Either bebengafuna ukuyiconfronta i-issue yokuthi kwenzakala, noma bebefuna ukuthi lento it must continue to a point ukuthi makufika lesikhathi lapho lengane i-realize ukuthi i-wrong lento eyenzeka kimi, iqala i-speak out, bese bathi vele sasho ukuthi ke unamanga kabi lo. Avele abantu izinto ezikhulunywa uwe lokuthiwa uyahlanya, uwe lokuthiwa unamanga zingamukeleki kalula, because vele they've already created an impression yokuthi wena awuphili kahle, noma uyingane namanga, noma umuntu ongathembakali. Labantu yazi bayakwazi ukuthi basihambele phambili thina singakavuki, singaka-realize. Sibona masesiqale sesithi siyakhuluma ukuthi yazi for years kwenzakala ukuthi nokuthi kimi ngingaka-understand, ngingakazi ukuthi ngiyichaze kanjani lento, ngiyichaze ngithini. Uthola ukuthi kudala bona bakuhambela phambili bakubiza ngohlanya, bakubiza ngomuntu onamanga, kanti they knew ukuthi the time is coming where you would blow their cover. So mina anginamsebenzi nomuntu ozoloku ecabanga ukuthi mina ngiyahlanya, mina ngiyayazi into engikhuluma ngayo. whether kwathiwa ngiyahlanya noma kwathiwa nginamanga, I don't care okwakho lokho, but mina ngiyayazi into engikhuluma ngayo. And you know what, isikhathi sizoveza ukuthi ngempela ubani obekhuluma iqiniso futhi ubani obenamanga.